humurun.
And also
Hamirun. Hamirun. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala used this one in the Quran. Inna ankara al-aswati la sawtul hamir. Okay. So first of all, in this lesson there is no new information. It will be just for more like reinforcing all the previous information. And they just added one point that the word himar, that means donkey, it has two different words for the jama. It could be humurun or hamirun. Right?
نعم.
نعم يا الأخ حسن اقرأ المفردات الكلمات الجديدة.
الشركة.
Yes. الشركة.
الشركة.
So sharika means
firm.
And company. Right? Firm or company. Business. Then
مدير الشركة. Director of company.
Director of the company. Yes.
رئيس.
Rakhis means
Chief.
chief.
يابانية. Japanese. القميص. قمصان. Shirt.
Al-Qamis is one shirt on Jama Qumsan. And Yabaniya means Japanese. So how do you say, Brother Hassan, this is Japanese watch?
هذا ساعتي Japanese.
Okay.
ساعتي ساعة.
You just read Yabaniya.
هذا ساعتي يابانية.
Okay. And also think about the word Sa'a. It's a male or female?
هذه.
Female. So?
هذه ساعة يابانية.
Yes. Now you said right.
What is expensive?
Ghali. Ghali. Ghain alif, lam ya, ghali, that means it's expensive. And another word is samina. Samina with tha. Anything that is pricey. We say, right?
With sin or
No, tha.
Fa.
Samina with tha is expensive, and also another word ghali. Or like if you are referring to a feminine gender, you say ghaliya with ta marbuta. If it is male, then you say ghali without ta marbuta. For example, if you pointing to the book that this book is expensive, so how do you say hada kitab?
هذا كتاب غالي.
Ghali
Yeah.
or samin.
Samin.
Yes. And if you are pointing to the car, that this is expensive car, then you say
هذا سيارة.
هذه.
هذه سيارة غالية.
Sayyaratun Ghaliya
غالية.
or Sayyaratun Samina.
سمينة.
Samina.
سمينة.
Samina, yes.
سمينة.
Okay. However, if you write the word Samina with Sin, look at this one. Samina. It means fat. Samina, that's something that is, healthy, full of fat. Okay?
Like whole milk ice cream.
Yes.
Full of fat or fat?
एक मिनट ऑफिस में जाओ.
I think full of fat. Like pizza with extra cheese. Like pizza with extra cheese.
Okay, fat. Okay, fat.
Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said in Surah Al-Ghashiyah, لَيْسَ لَهُمْ طَعَامٌ إِلَّا مِنْ ضَرِيعٍ لَا يُسْمِنُ وَلَا يُغْنِي مِنْ جُوعٍ. That the people of the hellfire, alayyazu billah, they will be given a food that will be completely full of thorns that no one can swallow, no one can chew that, and it will not have any kind of fat, it will not have any protein. Like the definition of the good food is that it should have proteins and nutrition, but the food of the hell does not have any kind of nutrients. It will not make people healthy, la yusminu, wala yughni min ju, and also it will not satisfy their hunger. What is the second purpose of the food? When you eat it, after that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will satisfy the hunger. You are, mashallah, feel that I am full. So the quality of the food in the hellfire will be like that. No one will be satisfied. The person, he will remain as hungry as he was or she was before eating. So there will be no difference before eating or after eating. And even after eating, more problems. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala save us. So in that Allah used this word yusmin, that is the meaning of fat. Okay. So we have all these words. Let's go to Arabic side. الدرس السادس عشر 16, and then السابع عشر 17. Inshallah, we'll try to finish both lessons today. اليوم. نعم. أخبرني ما هو الصفحة رقم. أخبروني, tell me.
ثلاثة وثمانين.
وثمانين. ثلاثة وثمانين. هل وجدتم? Did everyone find it?
نعم.
وجدتم. وجدتم, you all found it. So say نحن الآن في الصفحة رقم ثلاثة
وثمانين.
نعم. So ابدأ يا الأخ حسن, ابدأ, اقرأ.
المدرس لمن هذه الأقلام يا محمد.
So the scenario, the teacher is sitting and the students, right, like the same situation that we are sitting. So Mudarris, the teacher, he asked one student, his name is Muhammad, Liman hadhihi al-aqlam ya Muhammad. Look at this, like Mudarris is asking, Liman hadhihi al-aqlam ya Muhammad. How do you translate?
Who is the owner of these pens? Muhammad.
Whose pens are these? Very good. Simple.
Okay.
Whose pens are these? Oh Muhammad. Now look at this rule, application of rule aqlam, jama. But aqlam is irrational, غير عاقل.
That's why they use hazihi.
That's why he used hadi, not hawlai. Got it? So what Muhammad said?
Muhammad here, Niya Ustad.
So he said,
They are
This
mine.
belongs to
Me.
me. Here.
Oh,
so
Ustad.
they are mine.
Belongs to me.
Right? They are mine. Yeah. Now again, Muhammad, he said here. Though they are many, he did not say hawlai, or he did not say hunna. Right?
Okay.
Here. Why? Because Muhammad is referring to the pen and they are irrational.
Irrational.
غير عاقل. Okay? Very good. Now, brother Muhammad Darshan.
المدرس هي جميلة جدا
Jidda.
جدا
وهذا الكتب
Not
الجديد
هذه.
وهذه كتب الجديدة أحيا لك محمد لا هي لحامد.
Okay. Now Alan tarjim, translate.
These are new and beautiful.
No, not new.
Jidda.
Very, very.
Jidda means very.
These are very beautiful.
They are very beautiful. So again, teacher is pointing to
The
the
pen.
same pens
Yeah.
that they are beautiful. They are very beautiful. Hiya jamilatun jidda. Okay.
And then he's asking, and these books belongs to these new books belongs to who?
To
No.
you,
to
okay?
you.
To you also?
Also.
To you.
And
And
these new books also
also belong.
are they for you?
Are they for you? So why they have luck?
Luck.
Luck means for you.
For you.
Okay. Okay.
Here is for question. Are here
Ahi,
they
ahi, okay.
Are
Are
these
Yours?
or
yours?
belong to you?
Yeah.
Mhm.
And Muhammad answered, no, these are for Hamid. These belongs to Hamid.
Yes. Now in this part of the dialogue, you see that he used the word kutub,
Mhm.
jama, al jadidah
Mhm.
for the kutub, because kutub also ghair aqil,
Mhm.
irrational. And then he said ahiya, so here for the
Belonging
books.
to books.
And Muhammad is saying no. Again he says here.
Mhm.
They are, yani the books are for Hamid.
Mhm.
Okay. Naam, ya akh Nu'man, iqra.
المدرس أين دفاتركم يا إخوان؟
Ali.
What is daftar? Ma huwa maana daftar?
Books.
No.
Office? No?
Anyone else? Come on, we had it. Notebook.
Notebooks. Notebooks.
Your journal, notebook. Okay. Yeah, it is a word that is confuses people. For in Urdu, daftar means office.
Yeah.
So he's not asking about office. He's asking about notebooks.
Mhm.
Where are your notebooks, oh brothers?
No brothers. Yes.
Ali, here, huna, ala, hazal maktab. These are over.
They are
They are on,
here.
They are here on the table.
On this table.
On this table.
On this table. Just please off one. Give me 1 minute. Hello, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. अच्छा, हाँ मैं ठीक हूँ. हाँ मैं वो अरबिक क्लास पढ़ा रहा हूँ इस वक्त मस्जिद में. हाँ ठीक है. आप 1 घंटे के बाद फिर फ़ोन कर दीजिएगा. ठीक है. Okay. So he said that they are on this
Table.
desk,
Desk.
right?
Mhm.
So now pay attention to this word dafatir. First of all, dafatir we just learned a new pattern for the broken plural,
Mhm.
mafa'ilu, right?
Mhm.
And on the same pattern this word dafatir.
Mhm.
So you see the application of that word here, right?
Yes.
Second thing, dafatir is the jama plural but ghair aqil, unintelligent.
Mhm.
So Ali is referring to the dafatir as hiya.
Here.
Mhm.
Hiya, huna means here. They are here ala hazal maktab, on this desk.
This desk.
Okay. Now you have exercised tamareen. Tamreen al-awwal, the first exercise. Ta'ammal al-amsalat al-atiyah. Sister Fatima, read about that.
These students
Hada is just one. This.
This student, this new student,
This is a new student.
this is a new student.
Mhm.
He is from France.
Very good.
Jana.
Mhm.
هؤلاء الطلاب جدد
Mhm.
هم من فرنسا.
Mhm.
These new students,
These are new
these
students.
are the new students. They are from France.
Very good. So Talib and Tullab, they are all which category?
Aqil.
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 Rational, intelligent. So you are seeing the agreement. Huwa for Haza, whom for Haulai.
Mhm.
Okay, now read the next one. Al-Mufrad.
المفرد هذا كتاب جديد هو من فرنسا.
Hmm.
This book.
This is.
This is a new book.
Mhm.
It is from France.
Very good.
ترجمة هذه كتب جديدة هي من فرنسا. These new books.
These are.
These are the new books.
Mhm.
They are from France.
Yes.
Why can't we say these new books? It's
Oh.
also the focus of it.
No. If you say these new books, then the sentence will not be completed. Then it will be incomplete sentence. And then you have to change it to all definite. Then you say, Hazihil kutubul jadida. Then you will translate these new books. And then you are waiting for the information. What do you want to say about these new books? These new books are mine, yours, or whatever, right?
There's no concept of comma.
There is a concept of the comma, but it depends on the context. In this one especially, you have to translate these are new books in order to complete the sentence.
What are those alif and ba in the
Oh, alif, yes, very good question. Now, Sister Fatima, answer this question. Why this alif and ba?
Or
Like A and B, part
A and
A
B.
and B, yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because one is Akhil
Hmm.
and the other is Ghayr.
Got it, Brother Hassan?
Hmm.
One example was for aqil, intelligent. The other example, ba or B, is for ghair aqil. And you see the difference between the word talib and the word kitab. Right? Okay, Brother Umar, you do the second tamreen.
Okay. حول المبتدأ في كل من الجمل الآتية إلى جمع
Hmm.
المثال.
Okay, can you translate this instruction also? حول المبتدا في كل من الجمل الآتية إلى جمع. حول means
complete
no.
Change.
change.
Change, yes.
Okay.
Hawil means change. Change the mubtada.
مبتدأ
What is mubtada? Did we learn it?
Beginning.
beginning.
Sentence. Oh.
No, no. You are translating
Mm.
from just a different
Ibtidaiya.
meaning.
Oh.
Okay. Inshallah, I think it will come later in detail. But let me tell you, every sentence, in English or in Urdu or Arabic, whatever, it has two parts. One is called subject, one is called predicate.
Mhm.
Right?
Mhm.
Predicate. You say that Brother Hassan is sitting. So Brother Hassan is subject. Is sitting, it is predicate.
Mhm.
That is called khabar. So in Arabic, these two parts of the sentence, they are called mubtada and khabar. Mubtada and khabar.
Okay.
So mubtada is subject, khabar is predicate.
Okay.
So
Changes.
what they are asking in these sentences, that just change the subject, mubtada.
Okay.
So
Okay.
change the mubtada fi kullin. Fi kullin means
In all
in all minal jumal al-atiyah.
from the following sentences
Ila jam.
to the plural.
So you just need to change the mubtada, yani subject, from singular to plural.
Okay.
That was required.
Mhm.
Now read the misal.
المثال هذا بيت will be changed to هذه بيوت.
Translate.
هذا بيت, this is a house. هذه بيوت, these are houses.
These are houses. Yes. Now change the next one. Hada najmun.
هذا نجم. This is a star. هذه نجوم. These are stars.
These are stars. Very good.
هذا درس. This is a lesson. هذه دروس. These are lessons.
Very good. Perfect. MashaAllah. Now, brother Nu'man, you do the two more. Next page.
هذا قلم هذه أقلام هذا باب هذه أبواب.
Very good. Now, brother Muhammad, do the two.
هذا نهر هذه أنهار هذا جبل هذه جبال.
Very good. If anyone would like to know the meaning, please ask the meaning. Otherwise, I am assuming that you know the meaning. Brother Hassan.
هذا كلب هذه كلاب هذا بحر هذه بحار.
Sister Maimuna.
هذا كتاب هذه كتب.
Yes.
هذا إمام هذه أمور.
Very good. So do the rest like that. But go to the number 18. Here is you need to change the just
ذلك نجم تلك نجوم.
yes. And 19
تلك سيارة تلك سيارة
سيارات.
سيارات.
Very good. MashaAllah. Now, brother Muhammad, you do the tamreen third.
إشرا إلى
No.
third.
You have a fatha kasra to follow those vowels.
عشر
Ah.
عشر إلى الأسماء العاتية باسم إشارة مناسب للقريب.
Yes.
Okay.
Translate.
Okay. I don't know what Ishra.
Ashir.
Ashir.
Ashir
These-
means point.
Point.
Like उर्दू में हम कहते हैं इशारा करो.
Ishara. Okay.
Ah.
Okay. Point these names
Ah.
with the right and pointing name.
Like इसमें इशारा.
Yeah, इसमें इशारा with the right pointing name for
Near.
Qareeb,
मुनासिब means appropriate.
appropriate.
And करीब means
Close.
इसमें इशारा actually there are two types. इसमें इशारा करीब,
And baid.
इसमें इशारा बाइद. You say हाजा, this is
Qareeb.
इसमें इशारा करीब. You say ज़ालिका,
Baid.
इसमें इशारा बाइद.
So they want to clear Qareeb.
Yes.
Okay.
And they have example हाजा, हादिही, हाउलाई. Now bring one of them that is munasib यानी appropriate.
Appropriate. Haza rajul.
हाजा रजुल.
Haza rajul.
Yes.
Haulai rijalun.
Very good.
Haza hi and haza kalab.
हाजा कल्बुन.
Haza kalabun.
कल्बुन.
Haza kalbun.
Bas, that's it. Now brother Noman, you do 3.
हाउलाई किलाब.
Very good.
Haulai or
هذه
hazihi.
هذه, yes.
هذه
Because
كلاب.
kilab is غير عاقل.
हाज़ी किलाब. हाज़ी दुरुस. हाउलाई मदरस.
Yes, हाउलाई मुदर्रिस. Very good. Brother Umar, do the next 3.
هؤلاء أخواتي. هذه أقلام. هذا كتاب.
Very good. Brother Hassan, next 3.
هذه سيارات. هذه سيارة. هذه حمار.
هذا, because one donkey. هذا حمار. Yes, Sister Fatima, next.
هذه كتب. هذه
It's tricky, right?
This is
I.
Hazihi,
Yes.
isn't it? Hazihi,
Yes.
because two pairs feminine.
Yes. All the parts of the body that there are two, they will be used as feminine. So you say هذه عين. But however, the word ain is one of the Arabic words that has too many meanings. It's not only the eye. The spring of water, that is also ayn. So if you are pointing to the spring of water, then you say
Haza.
haza. Yes. So it depends on the context. So we just assuming that here ayn means eye. So you say hazi ayn. Okay, Sister Maimuna. Huh? Very good, very good, mashallah. Then next exercise, Brother Hassan, do the next.
أشر إلى الأسماء الآتية باسم إشارة.
Excuse me, Brother Hassan. Kulli?
Kulli, in the previous question, like Tawleen number 2, we did fi kulli.
Kulli means all. In all. Yes.
أشر إلى الأسماء الآتية باسم إشارة مناسب بالبعيد.
Okay. So same instruction as the previous one. Yes, here you change with ism ishara ba'id. Zalika, tilka,
تلك
ulaika.
أولئك.
Okay. So do the first three.
ذلك طالب.
Number 2.
أولئك طلابون.
Very good.
ذلك النجم.
Very good. MashaAllah. Perfect. So Sister Maimuna next. Huh. Yes. Bintun. Tilka bintun. Yes. Yes, very good. Ulaika banatun. MashaAllah. Yes, Sister Fat. Darraja means bicycle, bicycle. No, no. Again, yes. And very good. Dalika Salim. Now, Brother Umar, next.
Okay. Tilka surur,
Very good.
tilka dajaja,
Meaning bed, couch. Couch or bed. When you're sleeping, lying down, that is called sarir. Yes.
tilka dajaja, tilka mudarrisa.
Very good. Now, Brother Norman.
أولئك مدرسات. ذلك حج. أولئك حجاج.
Very perfect. Now, Brother Muhammad.
ذلك مسجد. تلك سيارة.
Very. MashaAllah. MashaAllah.
Mudarrisat, is it?
Teachers.
That's,
Female teachers, right?
yeah. Is that ulaika or tilka?
Yeah, no, Ulaika.
Ulaika.
Because Mudarrisat are aqil, intelligent.
Okay. Okay.
Do you have any doubt?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Ulaika.
Next page. Asmaul Ishara lil Qareeb, Asmaul Ishara lil Ba'id. So you already know them, they have showing you in the chart. Like Haza Talib, Haulai Tullab, Hazihi Taliba, Haulai Talibat, all Aqil. And similarly, Asmaul Ishara Ba'id, Zalika Talib, Ulaika Tullab, Tilka Taliba, Ulaika Talibat. But when you come to Ghair Aqil, so इसमें इशारा करीब हाजा बैत हाजिही बुयूत हाजी सैयारा हाजिही सैयारात गैर आकिल ज़ालिका बैत तिलका बुयूत तिलका सैयारा तिलका सैयारा. Right? Okay. So let's begin right now. الدرس السابع عشر.